For treating swollen ankles and feet, drinking a lot of water is a very powerful remedy. To know more natural remedies to reduce swelling on your feet, keep watching. Edema, by and large known as swelling, is a commonly occurring problem and various reasons can be responsible for it, from inflammation to a buildup of fluids in your tissues or organs and skin. Some swelling may decrease on its own, but chronic swelling needs immediate medical attention. Chronic swelling could also be a result of an underlying disease, from heart failure to kidney issues. More in general, edema affects leg or feet, but it can occur in parts such as abdomen and face as well. Other causes could include foot or ankle injury, pregnancy, lifestyle factors, etc. Let's look at some home treatments for foot swelling. 1. Drinking water. Though swelling is caused by fluid retention, but drinking water can decrease swelling. So, drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to reduce swelling. When the body is underhydrated, it retains the existing fluids. This causes swelling. 2. Ice pack or compression bandage socks. If swelling originates from an injury in the foot or ankle, one can apply an ice pack or wear compression bandage. This treatment works when swelling is caused by the intake of alcohol as well. Keeping feet in cold water is an additional way of treating swelling brought on by drinking alcohol. Compression socks apply pressure on foot or legs, which enhances blood flow. 3. Elevation. One can elevate their legs while sitting or lying down to reduce swelling. This treatment is very effectual when swelling is caused in the ankle or foot. You can lie on your back with legs propped against the wall for a few minutes several times throughout the day. However, one should not forget that while elevation, try not to put weight on the affected leg. 4. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol makes you dehydrated and can create swelling. However, if the swelling still exists 2 days after quitting alcohol, then talk to a doctor. If drinking alcohol causes recurrent swelling, then it could be a sign of an underlying issue with kidney, liver or heart. 5. Rock salt. A pinch of salt in lukewarm water can do wonders and decrease pain and swelling in foot and legs. But make certain that only rock salt is used, as it is the purest form of salt and can provide maximal benefits. 6. Lemon water. Lemon water gets rid of toxins and excess fluid present in the body. The excess fluid reduces the possibility of swollen feet. So drink lemon water every day to keep swelling away. 7. Magnesium-rich foods. Tofu, spinach, cashews. Magnesium deficiency creates water retention in the body. Therefore, when you are dealing with swollen feet, eat magnesium-rich foods. These would include tofu, spinach, cashews, almonds, dark chocolate, broccoli and avocados. 8. Reducing intake of salt. Lowering your sodium intake decreases swelling in the body, including that in the feet. It decreases the retention of fluids. Stay away from packaged items and fat foods for reducing salt intake. 9. Foot massage. Massage can be a great way to provide some relief to swollen feet. It moves the fluids away and decreases swelling. 10. Increase potassium-rich foods. Sweet potatoes, white beans, bananas. Potassium deficiency will lead to high blood pressure and water retention. If one is not on any dietary restrictions, then consume potassium-rich foods to decrease swelling. Sweet potatoes, bananas, salmon, chicken, white beans are rich in potassium and should be consumed in case of foot swelling. If one is dealing with kidney-related issues, talk to a doctor before increasing the potassium intake. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more great content like this.